Hey everybody, it's Dominic Ray with another weekly real estate insight. A lot of buyers don't realize how much today's mortgage rules were shaped by what happened during the 2008 housing crash. When the market collapsed, millions of homeowners lost their homes, not only because of the economy, but because many people did not fully understand what they were placed into with their mortgage loans. Back then, the market was filled with risky loan products, and first-time homebuyers did not have the education or guidance needed to protect themselves. One of the biggest problems from that era was something called a no-doc loan. These were mortgages where buyers didn't have to document their income, their assets, or even their employment. That led to people being approved for homes they couldn't afford long-term, and when their mortgage payments eventually changed, everything fell apart. Today, stricter lending rules exist to prevent that from happening again, and those standards came directly from the lessons learned during the 2008 mortgage crisis. As a realtor, my priority is making sure my clients stay connected with solid mortgage professionals, whether that's the lenders I personally trust or the ones they choose to work with. It's the lender's responsibility to explain every detail of your mortgage, but it's my job to make sure you're never pushed into something you don't understand. When you've got clear communication with your lender and the right guidance around you, you avoid the surprises that caused so many families to struggle during the last housing crash. If mortgage terminology or lender language ever feels confusing, that's completely normal. The loan process comes with a lot of financial terms that aren't designed to be simple, and you shouldn't feel like you're expected to know all of it on your own. Asking questions early keeps you protected and confident. A quick explanation today can prevent major stress later, and that's why I always encourage buyers to slow down and get clarity for their lender before making a big decision. The good news for today's buyers is that the mortgage industry is much more transparent now, and when you combine that with the right team guiding you, the home buying process becomes a lot more manageable. My goal is to help you feel informed, confident, and ready for long-term success as a homeowner. The smartest real estate decision happens when you understand the path ahead, and that's exactly why I share these weekly insights for anyone preparing to buy a home. Thank you, everybody. This has been Dominic Ray with another weekly real estate insight. See you next week.